Hey, this is Saurabh. Welcome to Designer Era. Here we are going to cover today what are the most AI feature that I am using nowadays inside of Figma and how it's making my workflow way faster and better. So let's jump into the Figma. So now I'm gonna cover three things. First is the new feature of Figma is Figma Make, where actually we can generate UIs and we can make PPTs out of it, and we can do any experiment. Like if I need anything to design a component, I can do it. So yeah, we are going to explain this thing. And third thing is we are going to talk about what are the plugins or what are the small feature that pushed AI feature, which is usable nowadays, and how I am using it and how it is making my workflow very faster. That's what I'm gonna cover in this video. So yeah, let's jump into the video. So let me start the screen recording first. So obvious, okay, obvious might take time. Let's open this Figma Make also. Okay, so yeah, I have started the record button. I have started the recording. So what exactly we are going to do now? First, I will show you how the Figma Make looks. So yeah, I have clicked in this plus icon. If you wanted to see here, I have clicked. So we have options like design file, jam, and slides and budge. These are the things, visuals or new, something new that they have pushed, but I've not used much. So let's directly jump into the Figma Make. So here we are going to here you can see this is a basic layout that they have. Like normally you have to give a prompt, you can directly select anything from like here Gemini or Claude, whatever you want. Okay, so I mostly use default. I'm not gonna choose anything, otherwise it will start taking the specific design set, I think design layout from the versions. So I'm gonna keep it for default for now. Let's design something. I have actually prompt for two things. Like for I'm gonna make a PPT. I'm gonna make it later. First, we are going to make a Figma Make iOS app. I mean, by using Figma Make, we are going to make a iOS app for a step counter. So I have the prompt now, basic overall prompt. We are not going to make it much complex for now. To just to see that how it looks, how actually Figma Make works for now. So yeah, let's give the prompt and let's see how it does. And meanwhile, we'll do the for saving the time. We'll do the same for this PPT stuff. Let's do it. Okay, did I choose? Okay. I think I have to click on site again. Let's copy this. So we have option to make a PPT right here itself. So we can make it. Otherwise, we have a AI feature. I think we have site also. Let's. Okay, so we have site, but we have to go with a everything. Like we have to design every single thing, and then we have to write everything. So before jumping to that, let's do it by using AI. I mean, we have to do manually, so we are not going to follow that. We'll directly click on Figma Make. We'll give the prompt. Okay. Design okay. The topic is why you should start a personal brand, and this is what is the basic prompt that I have given. Let's see what it generates. Okay. Okay. I have to close these two tabs. Now we have this mobile application and we have this one. Let's see what it does. So the my workflow is, if I get anything idea, anything like any requirement, first what I do, I try to understand the actual requirement, and if I also need helping on understanding things, then I go to Notebook LM and uh, other Claude and stuff to just to understand what is the exact context of the requirement or the idea. And then I go to similar like Lovable, or I mostly use Claude. So I in the internally I'll be creating a basic mobile application or dashboard or website, whatever it is, based on the requirement I'll be creating it to see that what are the context that I need to take it from here, what is the deep understanding of Claude, and what the what's the requirement and what we have to show. So this is what I do, and then I go to my Figma file and I take the requirement and I match it again, and I understand the user perspective of the like requirement. I mean, there are two kind of requirement normally happens when client gave you requirement, right? So I take the requirement, I do those some uh, design stuff by using AI to understand things, and then I match the requirement with the like user side, what will the user perspective, how user is going to interact, and then I match like the client and user perspective again, and then I started designing things based on the uh, the context of Claude, whatever they have done, and I'll be keep on thinking that how we can make it better by thinking of the users. Like we have a both users, what they want, what is the context, and what we are going to deliver. So by using these three things, I design. So for now, I don't have much time. So what I have done, I have just given a prompt, and to this is the first stage for my. So I have just given a prompt just to see that what it can generate. So meanwhile, we can explore that what we can do. So I'll show you. Uh, there are so many things that they have recently introduced. So recently I am using some plugins inside of Figma. So mostly I am using this icon, phosphorus icon. I have seen so many other icons, but I don't like trust much, and sometimes they didn't give. And I use this also, streamline icons and illustrations for icons itself. And I use nowadays I'm using background remember also, it works well. And okay, I use Codia AI. So what it does, you have to, if you want a component as soon as possible, you just have to take a screenshot and then you have to paste it right here. I'll show you what it can do. Just for example, uh, I'll go with something random. Okay, it's too much. It's too much. It should not that complex. Let me go to screenshots. Let me. Okay. We'll go with something. If I need a component, imagine I need a component. So basically there are so many confidential things, so that's why I was not able to select anything. Give me a second. Yeah, so I need this component. So what I have to do, just click on, I have selected the image. There are some restriction are there, you can't select anything, a big screenshot has limitations. So you have 5 credit per day. So it is going to scan it and it is going to paste it right here. See, it's done. You can edit it, literally you can edit it. See, done. So this is why I like it. So if it's required, then HTML to design it, I think everyone knows what is HTML to design. So basically you can use as a plugin also. So what exactly you have to do, you can paste it any, this is my office one. So you can, I can show you just how it works. Just I have clicked on something and it is going to directly export the whole UI from there to here. It's going to paste it. So these are the things I'm using it nowadays. Let me give me a second. Image tracker I'm not using nowadays. So yeah, like these are the things I'm using. And there is a feature especially for vectorizing things. So okay, it has pasted. See, it's going to take a bit time to just give it proper. So if you use plugin, then that is going to uh, you know it will generate the UI way more accurate. Okay, it will copy the whole UI way more accurate than whatever you have done inside of Figma. So you, after downloading the whole file, there will be some small JPG or some file will be there. You just have to, it's not JPG, it's H2D file. You have to drag it here, and from here it will be taking it, and then you have to just click it, and yeah, boom, it's done. So yeah, other than that, there is another feature. I'll show you. One thing, yeah, let's bring a Figma icon. So there is a feature now, we have cool feature. So you just have to click on a image, and you will be having so many options. So now we have actually, if you see, we have something background. Okay, so I can remove the background by not going anywhere. See, the background is removed. That there is no use of any other tool. You don't have to go anywhere. That's, you're just done. You can crop it, you can edit with a prompt. I can say that add a object. Okay, let's do it. Based I'm not gonna do it anything. It will take a time, and the prompt itself need a more context or more proper. So yeah, see, here, right here, it had added. Yeah, cool, that's cool. So let's back to the topic. The main thing that I wanted to showcase, it's vectorize. So it's just an image. It's a screenshot that here you can see, but it now it vectorize the whole image. Now you can select any object and change the color of the whole object. So now I can make this white. I can make it white. I can make this as a something random color, some blue. Yeah, this is the cool feature that I have. So yeah, this is the capability of Figma now. And now Figma had like pushed so many other features also. I have not tried. I have tried some, but I don't think we have much time to cover. So we have expand feature, boost resolution feature. Expand, I have not tried, but boost resolution works a bit good, not that improved, but yeah, you can see it is fine only, it's not that good. So yeah, these are the things, and let's get back to the PPT and application that we have asked to generate to Figma make. Reconnecting, it got, I think, disconnect for some time. Okay, and let's give some time. Okay, done, it's done, it's getting loaded. Okay, it's done. Yep, it's a slide why you should have a personal branding presentation. We have this also. So let's start. Let's view the first this one PPT. Then we'll get back to the this thing, the application. So why you should start your personal brand? I have just given a basic prompt that it will be have something not that much deep context, but yeah, basic context of what you just have to showcase, and based on that it has generated. So what is personal branding? Your identity, your values, your expertise, blah blah blah. See, why not matters? Just to quickly showcase that if you have doesn't have much time, then you can do it. And if you wanted to edit, you can give any prompt to change anything right here, but you have a Figma copy option. So right here you can copy from here, and you can directly jump into the Figma file itself. You can just paste it. Damn, done. You can edit anything right here. See here, you can see the alignment issues there. You just drag it and drop it somewhere. If you wanted to remove it, you can remove it. You can showcase right here. You can change anything from right here as per your requirement. Yeah, done. And let's get back to this mobile application. So basically it's a mobile application. Let's view it in a full view. Oh, okay, cool. uh, as per my understanding, this is good enough to showcase your idea. It's not that great, but I can say yeah, good enough. It has a context of clear context of what is the what are the things will be there. Mostly, if you are building a step tracking application, you will must have how much calorie you have burned, distance how much you have covered, active time, what's your goal, day-to-day life goal, like what's exactly you wanted to achieve, save your goal. And I think here they didn't added. Okay, we have goal. Okay, yeah, we can change it. So yeah, we have specific, we can set a number as well. So yeah, crazy. So if we go back here, I have written there, but there should be a button right here to save it. I totally understand that steps here we are showing the steps. There should be a button to save it. Then we can save the goal right here itself. So if you click here, it will get update here. Otherwise, somewhere else to showcase right here. So yeah, fine. But yeah, just a basic understanding how the application, what is the context will be there. Um, Badge. What's your streak? You can see. Perfect in the way. Something crazy. This is the profile section, that is not that much required, but yeah, it is generate. So yeah, this is the crazy thing that nowadays Figma can generate. Figma, I have shown that so many feature that Figma had come up with, and nowadays you can see that Figma adapt the AI era. It actually shows that how Figma also uh, give their user to AI access and stuff. So now they have introduced something MCV server and stuff. So I didn't try it. Claude and Figma, Claude inside of Figma and everything. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take time. Actually, I'm not getting much time to try all this thing. So yeah, as per my experience and uh, like whatever time I had to explore. So based on that, I have explored. I explained that these are the possibilities that Figma had nowadays, and you can try anything from right here. I'll be keep uploading videos on this. I'll try to connect Figma and Cloud both inside of Figma, and I'll show you how we can generate UIs inside of Figma by using Cloud Code. So yeah, there are so many other tools, emergent, and so many things are there. So let's try it. I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you what exactly requires, what the prompt skill that you requires. I am also keep on improving the prompt skill, and I am building a Notion file where actually I'll be putting all the prompt style. So if the context is to generate a mobile application or website, what should be the prompting style? So I'm building it. Once I complete, I'm gonna share it somewhere, and I'm gonna put it in the description. So yeah, let's get better. Let's get better with AI. Let's learn from AI. Let's make our workflow faster with AI. Because see, the PPT takes like literally just 10 minutes, I think. And if you make it by yourself, it will definitely gonna take your like 2-3 hours easily. So yeah, let's not waste the time. We can take all the context from the PPT, and we can generate our own own style PPT. So yeah, this is how AI is helping us to make our workflow way faster. So yeah, if someone is watching my video, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Keep on improving yourself as a designer. Try to adopt the AI thing, and learn new tools, learn new AI tools especially, and get better. watch YouTube videos how to implement AI in your workflow to make it faster, because if you do it everything manually, it's going to take you so many time, and it's not going to help you to grow as a designer and finish the work. So yeah, keep on improving, try to grow and finish your work as soon as possible by using AI. Thank you so much. Try to be the best version of yourself. Try to improve as a designer, and yeah, peace.